Here we will show you how to transfer calendars from Samsung to Samsung with 5 feasible methods. Way 1. How to transfer calendars between Samsung phones by Samsung Calendar Transfer. Step 1. Install the phone transfer software on your computer and select Phone Backup from the toolbox. Step 2. Connect your source Samsung phone to your PC using a USB cable. Make sure you have enabled USB debugging on your phone. If you're using Android 4.2.2 or later, a pop-up will appear on the screen asking for your permission to allow USB debugging. Simply click OK to proceed. Once connected, select the My Backup option on the interface to continue. Step 3. In the new window, choose the file type you wish to backup calendar. Then, click Backup and your computer will initiate the process. Once completed, disconnect your source Samsung from the computer. Step 4. Plug in your target Samsung phone to the computer via a USB cable. Select the corresponding backup file from My Backup. Choose the data you want to restore and click Restore to Device at the bottom of the screen. Follow the prompts of the software to transfer the calendar to your target Samsung phone. Way 2. How to transfer calendar from Samsung to Samsung via Samsung Smart Switch. Step 1. Run Samsung Smart Switch on both devices. Then, open Settings Cloud and Accounts Smart Switch Wireless to connect both devices wirelessly. Note: for Samsung Galaxy running Android 6.0.1, go to Settings Backup and reset Smart Switch Wireless to connect both devices wirelessly. Step 2. Tap Send on your old Samsung and Receive on your new Samsung. Then follow the on-screen prompts to establish a connection between Galaxy devices. Step 3. Once connected, choose Calendar and other files you want to transfer on the old Samsung phone and tap Send. Meanwhile, hit Receive on the new device to initiate the transfer process. Way 3. How to transfer calendars between Samsung phones with Samsung Cloud. Step 1. On your source Samsung phone, go to Settings, Accounts and Backup Samsung Cloud. Step 2. Tap Backup Data, and then select Calendar from the list of items to back up. Make sure that your calendar events are successfully backed up by checking the backup status. Step 3. On your new Samsung phone, go to Settings, Accounts and Backup Samsung Cloud. Step 4. Sign in with the same Samsung account that was used on the old device. Tap Restore Data and choose Calendar from the list of available data to restore. Way 4. How to transfer calendar from old Samsung to new Samsung through Bluetooth. However, not all Samsung models support sharing calendars via Bluetooth. Step 1. Turn on Bluetooth on both Samsung devices. After that, go to Settings, Bluetooth, select the other Samsung device under Available Devices and pair them with the on-screen instructions. Step 2. Once matched, open the Calendar app on the source Samsung, press and hold the event you want to share, and hit the Share Calendar option. Step 3. Select the Bluetooth icon the target Samsung phone to send the calendar event. Now, turn to the target Samsung phone and press Accept on the pop-up window. Way 5. How to transfer calendar from Samsung to Samsung using Google Backup. Step 1. Open Settings on the source Samsung phone and scroll down to Account and Sync Google. Then add your Google account and ensure that the Sync Calendar option is turned on. Step 2. Open the Calendar app on your source Samsung phone, tap More Accounts, and add your Google account. Step 3. On your new Samsung phone, open the Calendar app and set up your Google account. Once done, you will view the calendar events on the new Samsung directly.